Now I see the path Yahuwah paved for me, through shattered dreams and raging seas. Your whispers called me through the fight, carving my heart with Kadesh light. It wasn't the end, it was release. What I thought broken birthed my peace. Every trial was in your care, elevation, not despair. You sowed my tears into set apart ground. Now songs of joy are rising out. It wasn't the end, it was release. What I thought broken birthed my peace. It wasn't the end, it was release. What I thought broken birthed my peace. Every trial was in your care, elevation, not despair.